Hello and welcome to the My Porch Prince YouTube channel. This is Kyra, and today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different than we usually do. Today we're going to be doing a quiz. It's a fun little quiz that we just put together for you guys to help you find your junk journal style. So let's go ahead, make sure that you have a piece of paper and a writing utensil because we're going to be showing you a series of images and they all have a corresponding letter. So if you find an image that suits you best, write down that letter, and then at the end you can add them all up and that will tell you your junk journal style. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right in. Which of the following colors do you most favor? A. Brown sepia tones, B. Shades of pink, C. Black, D. Bright happy colors, E. Natural earthy tones, or F. Metallics. Which of the following decorative items appeal to you? A faded brown postcard with burnt edges, B. Antique ivory lace, C. Dark burgundy velvet ribbon, D. A sparkly shaker with bright beads, E. A specimen card featuring a sprig of sage, or F. Metal gears. Your ideal journal cover might be A. An old neutral book cover, B. Fabric or lace with a pink rose accent, C. Black crushed velvet with an ornate gold border, D. A bright door that opens to reveal a cute animal behind it, E. Natural linen with a pretty flower or leaf, or F. Time-worn leather with metal accents. Which of these creatures would you choose? A tasteful drawing of a bird on parchment paper, B. A sweet butterfly on a flower, C. A raven or owl, D. A fairy, E. A pretty little bee, or F. An octopus. Which of these plants best speaks to your style? A. An antique botanical print, B. A light pink peony, C. A black rose, D. A bright mushroom with white spots, E. A bunch of daisies hung to dry, F. A Venus flytrap inside a specimen tube. What story might you enjoy reading? A. Historical fiction, B. Romance, C. Mystery, D. Fairy tales, E. Poetry, or F. Science fiction. Which of these would you love to get as a gift? A. Antique ledger pages, B. Old postcards featuring soft pink roses, C. A black raven feather quill and ink to match, D. Fantasy creature stickers, E. Dried pressed flowers, or F. Ancient keys and pocket watch parts. Okay, now that the questions are out of the way, let's find out which style best suits you. I'm going to read off the answers and then show you some corresponding kits from our shop that best matches your personal style, and of course I will link those kits in the description box in case you're interested in taking a closer look. If you have mostly A's, then you have a vintage grunge style. You appreciate things that are old, time-worn, and even a little bent or torn. You might enjoy antique postcards, neutral sepia tones, and old photographs, as well as dark ink stains or burnt edges. Here are some of our kits that work well with vintage grunge style. Mostly B's means your style is shabby romantic. You like soft, light lace, pink florals, elegant ephemera, and maybe even a little sparkle. Here are some of our favorite shabby romantic kits. If you chose mostly C's, You're into gothic, dark academia style, with a little bit of Victorian elegance thrown in. You enjoy the dark side, black and mysterious, perhaps with a touch of romance as well. You might be drawn to ink splats, rich black or burgundy damask papers, and even a bit of dark lace or velvet. Here are some kits that might match your unique style. If you chose mostly Ds, your style is childlike, whimsical, colorful. You like bright colors and fun images. Think fairies, unicorns, and rainbows. You might also enjoy whimsical little ladybugs or colorful butterflies. The child in you is bursting to create. Here are some kits to help express your fun, creative spirit. The crafter, who is mostly Es, is cottagecore or nature-oriented in style. You like earthy, natural colors and simple but pretty homemade crafts. You might enjoy crafting outside of the junk journal world, such as making your own soap or candles or sewing, embroidery or crochet. You also are likely drawn to flowers, butterflies, bees, anything natural and homey. Here are some kits to match your down-to-earth style. If your choices mostly consisted of Fs, then you are into steampunk or industrial style. You are drawn to the Victorian world of steam. Anything with gears, metal, or even leather and wood might appeal to you. It's both futuristic and historical. You might like things like blueprints, strange mechanical creatures, locomotives, as well as top hats and corsets. Here are some kits you might enjoy. If you had a mix of responses, you might not have a defined style, but rather you are a combination of aesthetics. That's okay, it just means you're adaptable. You can switch easily from trains and top hats to flowers and fairies. Don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. Of course, not every style is represented here. Perhaps none of these styles are really you, and that's okay too. You might have a completely different style, such as a masculine style, or boho, modern, Scandinavian, light academia. The list is really endless. The important thing is that you love what you make. Our shop actually offers many different printables in a variety of styles, not all of which were represented in this quiz. So feel free to check out the My Porch Prints shop on Etsy. We have a lot of different YouTube tutorials and projects, so subscribe to our channel for new craft ideas, and perhaps there you'll find something that suits you. We hope you had fun and perhaps found a style that was just right for you, or maybe found something new to explore. But either way, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!